Hey, it's Amber. I wanted to talk with you all about our upcoming creative writing workshops because I'm really excited about holding those for witches in the spiritual community. I wanted to explain about our workshops and answer some questions face to face so you can decide if they are right for you. And as a reminder, our Mental Health for Witches creative writing workshops begin in October. Our workshops are exclusively for witches in the spiritual community, so you'll be working in the workshop with like-minded individuals who are also interested in healing and self-discovery. All levels are welcome, so I have a Bachelor's of Arts in creative writing, but if you are new to creative writing, you're totally welcome. The point of this is to heal and discover yourself and discover writing in a way that fits you. How does it work? Well, the workshop is monthly, and each monthly workshop consists of 2 sessions. So there'll be a beginning, working and brainstorming session where we discuss tips and techniques and the theme for the month. And then the second session, you'll come back 2 weeks later after you write your piece, and you'll read your piece and we'll have a discussion about the piece you wrote. Sessions are 60 minutes long, so you'll get a full hour to discuss the theme with your peers, brainstorm a little bit, learn a few tips and techniques as they relate to the theme and the project for the month. And then after that hour, you'll have the next 2 weeks to write your piece. When you come back for the second session, that is primarily going to be a reading and discovery session. So you can ask for feedback if you're an experienced creative writer or you think you might want to publish some of your prose or poetry. You can also just read the piece and not ask for feedback and just use it as a means of catharsis and self-expression. I will release the theme for the month a couple of weeks before each session starts, so you know if you're interested in the theme and that's something you'd like to write about. You can join monthly, you can do it one time. There's no commitment and there's no need to sign up for recurring sessions. So all you need to do is check out if you're interested in that theme for the month and then email me or register with me to sign up, and we will get you that Zoom link a few days before the event so you can be ready to go. Sessions together are only $25, so each monthly session is $25 total. You'll get 2 hour-long sessions, the first the brainstorming and discovery session, and then second the reading session after you create your piece. So 2 hour-long sessions, $25. It's a great deal. It's a great way to meet other witches like you, and it's a great way to have a container for your self-expression and discovery. All of this is surrounding trauma, healing, and mental health, so you're definitely going to touch on some of those areas. Something to note is it could be a little triggering at times, but if you're ready for a powerful process, if you're ready for healing through creative writing, you think that's something that would help you along with other mediums like peer support or therapy, we would love to have you. Ask Amber, how are you qualified to hold these sessions? How do I know that these sessions are going to be valuable and worthwhile? I received a creative writing bachelor's from the University of Central Florida, so I spent a lot of time in workshops concentrating primarily on nonfiction and poetry, but I'm also adept at teaching fiction workshops as well. So if you're more interested in nonfiction or poetry or fiction, we're going to touch on each of those areas in the different workshops, and I'll make sure you know which type of medium we're going to be working with in addition to the specific theme for the month. I have a certificate in community workshop teaching. I have taught at-risk youth, women in crisis, elderly, senior individuals with dementia. So there's a lot of special populations I've worked with that allow me to hone my skills and really creating very diverse and versatile workshops. How can you get more questions answered or even sign up early for our October session? What I want you all to know is if you sign up now, we're going to reduce the fee to $20 for the first session. So it's normally $25 and it's going to be $25 each month to join the workshop, which includes 2 hour-long sessions. But for those that have seen the video, we're going to drop it down to $20. So that way you can try it and see if it's for you. If you are interested in either asking questions or registering for the October workshop, I can reply back to you, let you know the dates that we're looking at, the times that we're looking at. We're in the Eastern time zone, by the way. And just a little more information about being a part of the first workshop. You can either send me a message here or you can email me at mentalhealthforwitches@gmail.com. Social profiles also have a Linktree link, which should take you to a little more information about the workshop. We have full information up on mentalhealthforwitches.com. We have a creative writing workshops page, and of course, registration opportunities and contact form opportunities where you're able to give us your email address and your name so we can get you registered. Of course, that's really all we need is your name, and if you're able to join during that time, and what your email address is so we can invite you to the workshop. Besides that, we just want you to come and be a part of it. So thank you for finding out more information about our workshop, and we hope to see you there in October.